Hello guys, for this new video. So today I complete 600 sales on Redbubble and I want to share with you some strategies I do to get this number of sales. And if you are interested in print on demand, especially Redbubble, you will find a complete playlist of 45 videos just for Redbubble. You can find it on my channel. So smash the subscribe button for more videos and don't forget to give this video a like and hit the notification bells. Now let's start. Every time I will hit a great number of sales, I will do a video like this. Also, you can check my 500 sales video here. So recently I have not uploaded any designs on Redbubble because I am focusing on a new business online. You all know that I started affiliate marketing recently and I am focusing on this business right now because it's have a huge potential. But I still uploaded designs on Amazon merch because I have a partner who helps me. And also guys, Amazon merch is not Redbubble. Let's be honest, if you think you will have your financial freedom from Redbubble, you are absolutely wrong. Yes, Redbubble can bring you some hundreds of dollars monthly, but you cannot take Redbubble as a main business you will live from it. I have a 3 years experience on Redbubble. I was uploading the same designs on Amazon merch and Etsy, and here came the big difference. A huge percentage of sales on Redbubble are stickers. So I earn a small commissions. Unlike Amazon merch, the most of my sales are standard t-shirts and the average royalties are from $3 to $5, depends on the price. So there is a huge difference between those platforms. Now, how I get 600 sales on Redbubble. One of my strategies is the trends. The trends helps me a lot to rank a lot of my designs, and some of my trends designs become an evergreen design and sold all the time. Yes, the trends can be a winning design sold all the year. The regular method to find a trend is Google Trends, but the last months I find some new websites helps me a lot to find low competition trends. The first website is redbubble.club. Click at the first results and here click at the low competition trends. This is not a paid promo or something like this. This website helps me to find some low competition trends before and I want to share it with you guys. So you will have the trademark here, the niche, the results, the number of sales, the price range, and the best part is the tags. So you can scroll the website and search for a trends, you can work on it. Also you can filter the results from a low to high like you see here, and you can open the page of the niche of the Redbubble by clicking here. So this is the first website. The second website is Inside Factory. Click at the Redbubble trends. So after you register, you will find some great low competition niches here. Besides, you can check the same niche on Amazon and Google and trademark here. And you can check these two websites every day to see the latest trends out there and be the first one who designed for those trends. And remember, today is the first day from the Q4 of this year. This is the best time to double your efforts to increase in your sales. So this is it guys. If you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos like this one, and see you in the next one.